All right, so Cardano, XRP, and Bitcoin whales are making major moves in the crypto space, and people aren't even talking about it. Because if we're looking at the market right now, people are focused on Bitcoin being just above $100,000 per coin. A lot of people are talking about XRP and Ethereum, but if we're looking at what's actually going on with whales and big money players, we can see that right now in terms of technicals, Bitcoin's price is right around $102,000 per coin. It did bounce off of this key support of right around $100,000 per coin. So in terms of technicals, we're still just trading sideways. I'm expecting a lot of choppy movement over the next couple of days. But if we're looking at what's going on with whales, we're seeing that US spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded $1.76 billion of inflows for the week ending January 24th. And usually when we're seeing a lot of volume for spot Bitcoin ETFs, that means institutions, big corporations, just whales are buying it, because most of the time people are buying Bitcoin ETFs if they're a company or if they don't really want to hold crypto themselves. So that has historically been more so those whale accounts and institutions. And on top of this, we've also seen that Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy bought another 10,107 Bitcoin worth $1.1 billion. He's been buying Bitcoin consecutive weeks in a row, and this is very bullish as well. But now if we're talking about altcoins, what we're seeing with whale accounts, we're seeing two in particular, and that's going to be one. I wanted to quickly interrupt today's video to bring a word from our channel partner, Crypto.com. Crypto.com has an exciting new feature called the sports event trading. And this is an innovative way to trade your opinions on sports events and profit when you're right. So the way it works is with the sports event trading, you make a simple yes or no decision. For example, if you think a team will win and the contract price is $25, you pay $25 to open your position. And if your opinion is correct, you'll receive $100 as your payout. So that's a profit of $75 minus small fees. So it's pretty straightforward. And the best part about it is that you don't even have to wait until the game ends. If your team's odds improve during the event, you can close your position early. So let's say you buy a contract for $15 and your team advances to the semifinals, raising the contract value to $35. You can sell it at $35 for a profit of $20 minus fees. And you don't even have to wait to see the final result. So this feature is fully CFTC regulated and available in all 50 US states, which offers a safe and compliant way to trade. You can trade directly in USD or even convert your crypto to fund your positions. Plus, all payouts are settled within one business day after the event concludes. So to make this even better, Crypto.com is offering $10 worth of CRO as a bonus when you sign up using my link in the description and you complete your first sports event contract trade. So details are all in the description, but use my link and take advantage of this special offer and start trading in the sports event section today. Anyways, let's get back to the program. With Cardano, we have seen that whales have actually accumulated 140 million ADA in the last 30 days alone. And this is a massive milestone because, yeah, we've seen Cardano's price drop from around $1.20 per token down to right around 95 cents per token. But when you're seeing whale accounts double down, it usually means something else is going on behind the scenes that maybe we don't know about. And that is usually very bullish for just retail investors. Not only this, though, we've also seen that XRP whales holding 1 million to 10 million XRP have hit an all-time high of 2,083 wallets holding at least 1 million to 10 million XRP. And again, seeing this type of activity from whale accounts makes me extremely excited about these big altcoins like XRP and Cardano, because it's not every day that you see hundreds of millions of dollars accumulated by these whales. Because when prices are going down, we've seen a lot of fear over the last couple of days. We've seen a lot of volatility, but meanwhile, we've just seen these whale accounts double down on their positions. And that is exactly what you want to see as a retail investor in one of these projects, is that you're seeing those big whale accounts not waver, not sell, really just double down on their positions every dip and every opportunity we get. And that's what we are seeing right now. But now if we switch gears and talk about some smaller cap altcoins, there's been a lot of drama around D.Fi, because D.Fi has announced that they're going to have a major tier 1 exchange listing. And actually, they just said a new centralized exchange listing. They didn't actually say tier 1, but I find it interesting that DeFi is backed by Binance and Coinbase, but it isn't listed on either yet. They've been saying that they're having a major listing like today, as I'm filming this on January 28th, and they've been hyping it up. So my guess is that it's going to be on one of these major exchanges. If it's not, that's going to be a letdown. We are going to see the price drop a little bit further. I haven't added or sold any of my position. I'm just simply waiting to see what the result of this centralized exchange listing is. But we've been seeing a lot of talk in their Telegram, a lot of talk on social media just about this listing. People are getting worried that they haven't announced anything yet, but you really have to remember that when it comes to these major listings, only small exchanges really post significantly beforehand. When it's the big exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, they sign NDAs. They're not allowed to disclose any information about their listing until like Coinbase or Binance or the actual exchange announces it. So I'm not too worried about this. D.Fi has a massive platform. They have their entire website, their entire ecosystem of products. And so I'm really not too worried about it. Regardless, as long as we see some sort of centralized exchange, I'm expecting big things for this project because they've really been doing a lot in terms of protecting the DeFi space and looking at their different products like their scanner and their shield. Really, it's something that makes me really excited. Last thing I do want to go over is going to be with DYOR, because DYOR is set to have its TGE on January 29th, and this is an app that has over 100,000 downloads on the Google Play Store. So I've seen a lot of people talking about DYOR. They're currently having a Twitter Spaces going on as we speak, and so this is a platform that is going to be launching on Base on January 29th. I personally am an early investor in this project. I have quite a bit of it, and it's going to be launching on Gate.io, MEXC, and Uniswap. So I'll keep you guys updated on what happens with this, but these are just some of the major listings and launches that I'm following right now, really just with DYOR and D.Fi. So I'll keep you guys updated on what happens, but right now the overall market is looking extremely exciting as we're seeing whale accounts really double down on their positions. Cardano whales are purchasing, XRP whales are doubling down as well. So it's really just a lot of exciting things going on and a lot of bullish catalysts in the market.